37. My name is John, and tonight we're going to do an unboxing of a Traxxas rally car, the Fiesta ST 4-wheel drive. Now, I've been meaning to buy this for a number of years and just never got around to it, but I did get the Cougar rally car, so I thought I'd get this and do a comparison on it. So let's do the unboxing. Let's see. Obviously, this was a little bit more pricey than the Cougar, being a Traxxas. But we'll see how this holds up. Come on, we can do this. There we go. Get rid of that. Okay. Let's try that. There we go. Straight up, I can tell you, well, actually this one's actually a little thicker. The Cougar's a little thicker, but I gotta say, this looks pretty awesome. Don't you think? I love the color scheme. That's one thing about Traxxas, that they make awesome looking vehicles. Apparently comes with a transmitter but no battery, which I thought it did, but no big deal. I've got batteries. And it's the TQ transmitter, nothing fancy. At least it's got a foam wheel. This has got towing capacity, but no camber. Cannot. And nice shocks, nice oil-filled shocks, I'll say that. Now this is a brushed unit. I believe this one's a brushless. Yeah, this is a brushless, and it's got about the same size motor. And so far, I'm thinking this is a bigger scale. They're both supposed to be 10th scale, I believe. Get out of the way here. Move my Cougar back here. But I do like the Cougar. It's a cool looking car. Although I gotta. What did I pay for this? $209, $229. Oh, I don't know. I'll have to look it up. But it is a cool looking car. And I did get a battery with the Cougar. And that's an HSP model. That's my third one that I own on that. This is my first Traxxas Fiesta. But I gotta say, it really looks cool. And so as far as the unboxing goes, that's pretty cool. This is okay. Yeah, this is a 2S, I believe, max, with the brushed motor. So I've got a Gens Ace 5000 in here, and let's just get this put in here. And I'll get some batteries in here. Probably take 4 AA's. Here you go, 4 AA's. And turn it on, and you got your LED. Says you have the batteries incorrect. It's not incorrect. It's in the. Never mind. It works. All right, let's fire this puppy up. Now. Okay. One nice thing is they've got, they're not dog bones, they're U-joints. Top and bottom, which is kind of cool. Plastic shafts, telescopic shafts in here. That's kind of cool. So I like it's better. I mean, the engineering and design, wheels seem tighter. Yeah, not bad. I'm impressed with the quality. Real good action on the servo. Okay, there are options to do a switch out on this. I probably could put a 100 amp or start out with a 60 amp LiPo drive system. I'm not sure what this is. It's an XL5. I'm guessing it's probably a 45 amp. Now, they normally don't tell you. They just say, well, it's a XL45 waterproof speed controller. Well, 550 motor, we knew that. Brushed. 12 turn, which is good. Yeah. I guess, for a rally car, maybe you don't, like a Typhon, I expect that to be a monster machine. This isn't going to be a monster machine. This is a racing type machine, dirt, gravel, stuff like that. I'm hung up on speed. Everything I get, I want to make it faster, more powerful. I've built some really, really beautiful cars and fast cars. Just to give you a little peek, this is my Typhon Scorpion. You'll see that soon in that teaser. That's going to be over 120 mile an hour machine. So this one I'm not going to build for speed, obviously. We're probably not going to do anything with this except play around with it in the yard and maybe get out to the sand and gravel place and do some work out there. But yeah, not bad. And it's eventually it'll be up on my wall up there. I don't. My age is getting to me. I've got some really serious health issues, and I can't get out like I want to and do the things that I used to do years ago. But I still love the hobby. I love what they're doing nowadays with the electronics in that, and the quality that's improved on the bodies and that with the paint jobs and everything, and just really dynamic. I mean, they're beautiful, and so that's why I buy them. I don't plan on going out and wrecking them. In fact, I haven't been out for quite a while. It's been over a year with COVID. I've been doing a lot of building and doing videos, but not a lot of, I run them out in the street a little bit, out in the driveway, but haven't gone to the airport for any radar runs or anything like that for almost a year and a half. So if that improves, I might do more of it, but I'll still try and bring you the unboxings and my opinions. But yeah, she's a looker. She's a really good looker. There. Isn't she beautiful? And I'm a big Ford guy. My dad worked for Ford for 40 years, so. And I tend to have a soft spot for him. Surprised I didn't get this sooner. But I got the Hoonigan Mustang, 65 Mustang over there. Man, I'd love to get out with that thing. That's I got a 200 amper in there. I put ESC. That's going to be a good speed run when I do that, if I do it. So, all right. How's that? Okay. That's going to be a wrap on this unboxing of the Fiesta ST Rally 4-wheel drive by Traxxas. And gotta say, I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the body. I'm impressed with the shocks on them, the steering servo, the motor. I would have liked to seen a brushless system in here, but then I'm sure it would have been another 50 bucks at least probably. But as it stands right here, this looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. So I'm not going to return it. I'm going to keep it. And I got a couple grandkids and great grandkids. I got a great grandchild going to be 12, and he's biting at the bit at every time he comes here. He ends up walking out of here with one of mine. So eventually he'll probably end up with all of these. But that's what I get them for, you know. Being that I might not get out and race them in that, but my grandson and his kids will get out and do a lot of the things that I wish I could do, and I'll bring them into the hobby by doing that. So with that said, I'm going to put a wrap on it. Once again, my name is John. This here's Hangar 37. I want to thank you all for watching. I'll catch you on my next video.